If you'd like your Samsung Galaxy phone to warn you about nearby earthquakes, you can quickly enable the built-in earthquake alerts feature. This safety feature uses your device's location and internet connection to send notifications when seismic activity is detected in supported areas. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. You can access it from the app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon in the Quick Settings panel. After entering Settings, tap the search icon at the top of the screen. In the search field, type Earthquake Alerts. As the results appear, select Earthquake Alerts to open the corresponding settings page. You'll now see the option to enable the feature. Simply tap the switch beside Earthquake Alerts until it shows that the feature is turned on. Once enabled, your phone is configured to receive earthquake warning notifications whenever they're available for your location. To ensure the alerts work properly, keep location turned on and allow your device to stay connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data. These services help your phone determine whether an earthquake may affect your area and deliver alerts as quickly as possible. It's worth noting that earthquake alerts are only supported in certain countries and regions. If you don't see the option in your settings menu, it may not yet be available for your device or location. Keeping your Samsung Galaxy updated with the latest software can also help ensure you have access to the newest safety features. That's all there is to it. Your Samsung Galaxy is now ready to receive earthquake alerts whenever they're supported. This simple setting can provide valuable advance notice during seismic events, helping you stay informed and react more quickly. And be sure to check out our other Samsung Galaxy tutorials for more helpful tips and guides.